I just literally opened this up to check it out, and we're gonna give it a first test here and just see how it goes. But let's give it a try. Brought with me just a little bit of a beverage to give this a shot. Their instructions are pretty simple. One of the things it did when I was just messing with this earlier is I couldn't figure out exactly where the wood chips go. I had a lot of trouble prying. I even read the instructions. Had a little bit of trouble getting this open, but after my first opening, it does flip open pretty easily. Now, it's just the design of it makes it a little bit harder to get with your fingers, so I find the end of the measuring spoon works great. Now, their instructions are pretty specific. They say one scoop of, I'm gonna try the walnut today. They say one scoop of the wood chips is all you need. And so that's what we're gonna do. This is actually a pretty heaping scoop. And then one touch, and we're going. I'll let it run, and we'll catch up in the end. Okay, I don't know what happened. It used 5% of its charge, and it did not smoke at all. The chips look completely unsmoked. I'm not sure what happened there. So we're gonna run it one more time. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra chips in there just to see if one scoop just isn't enough, because it does seem well below. So I added just a little bit more to hit. So the one scoop in their instructions seemed a little bit low, so I added one more. We're gonna run this one more time, see what it does. It's now in direct contact with those igniters, so I'm hoping for a little bit better. So as you can see, you start it and it starts a countdown. We're gonna run it for the full 30 and see what happens. Nothing. Nothing. And it clearly didn't smoke anything. It ran down about another, another 6% of its battery and didn't smoke. All right, so again, twice in a row now. I've tried it twice in a row. It hasn't produced any smoking, which completely defeats the purpose. It's got a lot of cool things in there, but if the unit itself doesn't do what it's supposed to, then what's the point? I am going to contact the company. Maybe I just got a faulty unit. If they replace it and I try it again and it works, I will update this video. But until then, I just think this is probably one that you might need to avoid. There's a lot of good whiskey smokers out there, so check those out.